Alright, so Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we are just going to be start the new topic that is statistics. Yes, Mozam, you have any idea what is statistics? Any basic idea? Yes, Mozam.
Sir, it shows like I don't know how to explain this, but it shows like values or something compared to others.
Yes, we have a values. We are going to be compare it and we are going to be analyze it and getting the output. And if you have a lot of data, we are going to be represent it with a graph, or we are going to be representation of data in a different ways by the graph, by frequency polygon, by bar graph, or histogram like this. Yes, Amaz, you have any idea? In which you are going to be talk about the cumulative frequency curve, frequency polygon, the processed data. The processed data, okay, but in this one we just have to look at here according to the definition. We are just going to talk about the basically it is all about data, the collection of data, and obviously we have to be organize it according to requirement and get the suitable or required the information from there. Okay, before we have to talk about more statistics, we need to be talk about the types of data because it is everything about data. So types of we have three types of data. The first one that is the raw data. The second one that is ungrouped data. Let's first of all we have to talk about the raw data. The raw data means, for example, in a school or in I'm going to be take your test. You are there are total 10 students, and I'm going to be take a test of 10 marks. So the different students are going to be some. Let's say one student is going to be get 10 out of 10. One is getting 10 out of 5. One other is going to be get 6 out of 5. Another one getting 5 marks. Another one 6 marks, 9 marks, 9 marks, 6 marks, 7, 8, 5. So these are the marks of the different students. One is getting 10 marks, another one is 5 marks out of 10, 6 out of 10, 5 out of 10, 9 out of 10, and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are total number of students are going to be 10 here. If you have a data in this format, in this way, so we have to say that this is the raw data. It is not organized, it's just you have to write it. Such type of data is known as raw data. The second type is no is that is ungrouped data. Ungrouped. In ungrouped data, basically you are going to be a little bit organized there, and you have to be write the frequency of each data. Like let's say have to make a table. The table may be like in the vertical way, or the table may be in the horizontal way. All right. Let's. I'm going to make a vertical way. So let's say we have a data X. So look at here the output. This is the output of the values, and all the values are going to be lie between 5 and 10. So let's say I'm going to be write from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Here we are going to be write the frequency. Frequency means how many times that number is repeated. Yes, how many times 5 is repeated? 1, 2, and 3. This means that the frequency of 5 is 3. The next number is 6. So 1, 2. It is repeated 2 times. So the frequency of 6 is 2. The third one is 7. It is only 1. So the frequency of 7 is 1. In the same way, frequency of 8 is 1. The frequency of 9, 1, 2. So it will be 2. And the frequency of 10 is 1. Yes, any question up to here? Yes, Mozam, Ariba, Hamas, any question up to here?
No, sir.
Okay, so I have to arrange the data a little bit and write. I did not repeat 5, 5, 5 again. I just write 5 and write the frequency, how many times 5 is repeated. So if you have to write the data in this format, so we have to say that this is the ungrouped data. All right. Now the next one is that is the grouped data. Let's say here we have a data. We are going to be showing by X. Here we have the frequency, but it is not a data. You are going to be making a group. Means those students who are getting the marks from 0 to 3, let's say, those students who is getting the marks 0 to 3. 3 is not included. And another group in which you have a student that is going to be getting a marks 3 till 6. Another group we have a student is going to be getting a marks till 10. I'm going to be included this value right now. So look at here. I'm going to make a 3 groups. Let's say they are going to be the first group is from 0 to 3. They are going to be below the average students. If the students are going to be get the marks 3 to 6, means they are going to be average one. And if any students are going to be getting the marks between 6 and 10, so they are going to be up. It's upper the average, more than average students are going to be here. So let's we have to check. We are going to be taking data here. I'm going to be taking same data. It is in the raw form. Now I'm going to be writing into the group form. Yes, there is any student here who is getting 0 to 3 marks. Yes, Ariba. There is any student here who is getting 0 to 3 marks.
Mm.
There is no students. This means that the frequency of this one is 0. Yes, Mosam. Any student who is getting the marks between 3 to 6. 6 is not included.
5.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 fives. Yes, Amos. How many students we have? 6 to 10. Look at here. This will be included 10. 6 to 10. 10. 10, 6, 9, 9, 6, 7, 8. So totals are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they are 7 students. Yes, everyone. Any question up to here? So look at here. I have to write the same data in other format, and I'm going to make a group. So this is known as a group data. If you have data written in this format, so this is known as a group data. Yes, any question up to here? Yes, Aiba, Mazam, Hamas, any question?
No, sir.
Okay.
Not
In the statistics, we are going to be always talk about the 3 things: the mean, mode, and median. Mean, mode, median, and range. All right, we are going to be talk about these 3 things. So let's see how to talk about the mean. So what is mean? The mean means you are taking the average of values. Means, for example, if you have 10 values, just add all of them divided by 10. If you have 5 values, add all of them divided by 5. For example, look at here, this is the data we have. I need to find the mean here. So how we can find it? The formula for the mean is, we are going to show a mean by making a dash on x is equal to summation of x divided by n. N means total number of, summation of x means sum of all values divided by n means total number of values. Let's we have to find the mean here. So x dash is equal to 10 plus 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 9 plus 9 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 5 divided by the total number of values. And the total number of values are going to be 10. Yes, find a value, please. Use the calculator and find these values. Sum of all of them and divide by 2. Yes, everyone, you are finding. Yes, Moshe, Mariba, Mas. Just sum up all of the values and divide by 10.
So 7.
7. So this means that the mean value of this data is 7. So this is how you have to find the mean of our raw data. If you are going to find the mean, but at this time we are finding in the ungrouped data. Obviously, in the ungrouped data, you have a table. We already make a table here. I'm going to take it down. So let's say this is a question. And the examiner says that you need to find the mean of this one. So first of all, we have the formula to find the mean is x dash is equal to the summation. Summation means sum. Add them all values. F of x divided by summation of f. So look at here, we have summation. Just add them f values, you will get the summation of f here. But we don't have the f of x value. So I'm going to make a one more column. And I'm going to find f of x. So 5 multiplied by 3, 15. 6 multiplied by 2, 12. 7 multiplied by 1, 7. 8 multiplied by 1, 8. 9 times 2 is 18. 10 times 1 is 10. Now let's see how to find the sum. Here you will get the sum of frequency. Here you will get this summation of frequency and data. Yes, please add the values. Obviously, it will be 10 because we have 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. Add these values. 15 plus 12 plus 7 plus 8 plus 18 plus 10. Yes, that will be equal to
70.
70. Now you have to find the mean. I told you the formula is summation of f of x divided by summation of f. Now x dash is equal to 70 divided by 10. So the final answer will be 7. So the mean of this data is going to be 7. Obviously, the mean is going to be exactly same because we are taking a same data, and that data we have to write into the raw form and the group form and ungroup form as well. Yes, Ivan, it is clear how to find the mean in the ungroup data.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to be talk about the mean in grouped data. In the group data, we have to find the mean by summation f of x dot divided by summation of f. What is x dot? X dot is the midpoint of group. I will take the questions down. Let's say this is the data. I'm going to take this table down. Just a minute. Statistics. All right. All right, so let's see how to take the group data down. So this is the group data. Okay, what we have to find? We are talking about the mean. So I told you we need to need x dot first of all. For x dot, first of all, we are going to make add one more column here. In which I'm going to be find the x dot. How will find it? Add the values divided by 2. It will be 1.5. Add the 3 plus 6 divided by 2. It will be 4.5. 6 plus 10 divided by 2, that will be 8. Yes, everyone, it is clear how to find the midpoint. Yes, Samaz, Ariba.
Yes, sir.
Now I need to find summation of f of x dot. So let's see how to find f into x dot. So 0 multiplied by 1.5 will be 0. 3 multiplied by 4.5, it will be 13.5. 7 multiplied by 8, it will be 7 times 8 is 56. Now find the sum of f of x dot. Just find the sum. Frequency, obviously it is 10. Just find this value, 13.5 plus 6, 56. That is equal to Everyone, during the class, you must have a calculator. Just add the values, please. 13.5 plus 56.
69.5.
69.5. Now we have to find the mean. I just told you the formula for the mean is equal to summation of f of x dot divided by summation of f. Summation of x dot, that we will find it is 69.5, and the summation of f is 10. So if you are going to be divided, it will be 6.95. Okay, look at here. Here we are getting the mean is 6.95. On the other hand, we have here we are getting the, if the same data is going to be in the ungrouped form and in the raw form, we are getting the mean is 7. Why we are getting the difference? Because here we have to make a group. All right. Because from 3 to 6, if you have 3, then you are taking in the same group. If you it is 4 in the same group, 5 in the same group. So that's why you are going to be getting a small error when you are finding the mean in the group data. All right. That's why it is going to be 6.95 instead of 7, because exact mean is 7. Yes, I want it is clear that how to find the mean in the group data, raw data, and ungrouped data. Any questions?
No, sir.
All right. The next thing is median. The median means the middle value of the data. For example, let's I'm going to take a data down. All right, let's say this is the data we need to find the median of this one. It's a raw data, okay? Now what we will do, first of all, we are going to be write into the ascending form. So smallest value is 5. Rearrange. Then we have 5, again 5, 3 5s, 1 and 2 6, 1 7, 1 8, 2 9, and 1 10. I have to write into the ascending form. Now, this is the formula we have to find the median place. Median. You will not get the median, you will get the median place. You have to use this formula n plus 1 divided by 2. If it is the even number, you will get two values between them. For example, if you have two, what is the middle values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 6 is going to be a middle values, right? You can get, it's a small data, you can easily find it. These are the two median values. But for example, if it is a large value, how you will find it? You will use this formula, n plus 1 divided by 2. The total number of values are 10 plus 1 divided by 2. It will be 5 point. So take a little bit up, that is the 6th place, and down, that is the 5th place. For example, if you have one, let's say there is 7 more, but there is one more value here. So if you are going to find it here, it will be 11 plus 1 divided by 2. So it will be 12. It means that the 6th value is your median. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And obviously this value is going to be here, not here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 is the median. All right. So how you can find the median place? You have to be n plus 1 divided by 2. You have to use this formula. You are going to be get the median place. So this is the median place 5 and 6. So we will get the median is equal to, if you will get two values, so add them, divide by 2. So that will be 6.5. So the 6.5 is the median. Yes, any question? Yes, Mozam, Reba, any question up here?
No, sir.
All right, but for example, if it is a ungrouped data, I'm going to take the ungrouped data down. We are talking about median. Okay. So how you will find it? You need to be write a cumulative frequency column here. Cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency? Means you have to just add the frequency one by one. The first one is 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6, 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So look at here, we have to write the frequency, but this frequency, it is known as cumulative frequency. All right. We just have to be add the frequencies one by one. 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6, 3, 2, 1, 1, 7, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, that is 9, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, that is 10. So this column is known as the cumulative frequency. Yes, I want. Any question over here? You need to find the median. So median place is same formula. We already done it. How to find a median place? We need to find the sixth value and the fifth value. Yes, can you please tell me where the fifth and the sixth value is going to be lie? Yes, Mosam, in which row the fifth and the sixth value is going to be lie? At this place, you have the fifth value, and here you are going to be getting the sixth value. At this place, this is your data. 6 plus 7. So the median is 6 plus 7 divided by 2. It will be, yes, what is the answer?
6.5.
6.5 is the median. Now, if you are going to be finding the median in the group data, let's take the group data down. Let's take this one here. All right, for this one, again, we need to find the cumulative frequency column. Cumulative frequency 0, 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 7, 10. So we are going to be using the same formula to find the median. N plus 1 divided by 2. You will getting the places. So these are the places. Means the median will be the place where you are going to be sixth and the fifth value is going to be lie. Yes, in which group the fifth and the sixth value is going to be lie? Anyone? There is no value here. Their first three values are going to be here. And then 4th to 10th values are going to be here. This means that here you have 4 to 10 values. This means that fifth and sixth value is going to be lie here as well. Is it clear?
Yes.
So in this case, you are going to be getting a median group. You will not get a median value. You are getting the median group. So this is your median group because fifth and sixth value is going to be lie in this group. So the median group is x is greater than or equal to 6 and less than or equal to 10. Yes, anyone, any question? This is how you have to find the median. Now the last thing, second last thing, that is mod. The mod is the most repeated value in the data. If you need to be find it into the raw data, so I'm going to take the data down. So this is the raw data. I need to be find a mod. The mod is the most repeated data. Yes, tell me what is the mod here? Which value is most repeated? Yes, Moshe Mariba.
5.
The 5. Because 1, 2, 3, it is repeated 3 times. So 5 is our mod. If this is the same data is going to be written in the form of ungrouped form, you have the data in the ungrouped form. So you have to be look for it where you have a maximum frequency. So look at here, this value has a maximum frequency. This means that so if you have an ungrouped data, so you have to look for the frequency that which number which number have a highest frequency. So that is our mod. So the mod is 5. Most of the students are going to do the mistake. They are going to be write 3 as a mod. 3 is just counting that how many times a number is repeated. Your data is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10. This is not your data. This is your counting. That 5 is repeated 3 times, 6 is repeated 2 times, 7 is repeated 1 times. There is a very common mistake that most of the students are going to be write the answer 3 here. 3 is the frequency of 5. 3 is not a data. Yes, Simon, you get my point?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. So we'll get the mod. The last one is the grouped. All right. Here we are going to talk about which is the model group. So model group is a group in which you have the higher frequency. So look at here. At this point, this group has the highest frequency. So it means that the median will the model will be 6 to 10. Yes, everyone, any question to here?
Yes.
Now the last thing that is about a range. The range is simple. The range is equal to maximum value in the data minus the minimum value in the data. You are going to be mostly find in the raw data and the ungrouped data. So let's say I'm going to be taking this one. So look at here, the maximum value is going to be 10 here, and the minimum value will be 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. So the range of the data is 5 here, right? So these are the very basic concepts about the statistics that we are just going to be make a diagram. So we are going to be use it mean, mode, and median. We are going to be do some statistical diagram. So let's I have to write it that we will do. Obviously, we'll do it in the next class. The first one, that is stem and leaf diagram. Second one, we have to be go for the bar charts and pictograms. Third one, we will do the pie charts. The fourth one, we will do the histogram, the most important one. You're getting a mostly you are going to be getting a 10 to 12 marks question from histogram or in the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency curve, and we will do the scatter diagram. So these are all the statistical diagrams that we are going to be used to show our data. Yes, any question?
Yes, sir.
So look at here, we have different techniques we are going to be used for different types of data. So there are four things: mean, mode, median, and range. Mean, you are finding the average value; median, the middle value; the mode, the most repeated value; and the range, maximum value minus minimum value. Yeah, in the next class, we are just going to go for the graphs.